Hey, welcome everyone. This is Cooking with Ram. I am Ram. If you don't know me, get to know me. This is Cooking with Ram, and I'm going to change your life right now. I'm going to show you how to make a burrito that you never thought you could make. I'm going to show you how to make a Chile Relleno Burrito. Alright, so we all had the traditional Chile Relleno stuff with cheese and all of that good stuff. So I love that, but I deconstructed it and put it on a burrito. Alright, I'm gonna show you. So right here we got our Chile Relleno mix, stir fry, a bunch of veggies, onion, yellow peppers, red peppers. We got the, of course, Chile Relleno peppers in here, and we made a nice little medley here. Garlic, onion, let that broth up real good, and it looks bomb, delicious. Alright, so if you're a vegetarian, a vegan, this is perfect right here. Alright, so Chile Relleno mix right here. Again, onion, garlic, red bell pepper, yellow pepper. You can put anything that you like personally, but this was perfect for me. Alright, so again, we got the Chile Relleno mix right there. Got a good look right there. Alright, so we start off with that, chop all that up, let it simmer. Alright, once we got that ready, we'll go to the next spot. So one of the hardest things for me when I stopped eating meat almost 2 years ago was I didn't want to give up all the Mexican food that I was already used to eating. And so pretty much I had to come up with ways to to keep the same flavors there, but without eating any meat. And so this is a fast way to make yourself a burrito, and not just any burrito, but a Chile Relleno burrito. And not really miss out on the meat. Alright, so again, this is Cooking with Ram. Make sure you follow me, Cooking with Ram, RareMindTV on YouTube, and stay up to date with all the new videos and content I'm going to put up. Make sure you share, like, comment. Appreciate y'all. Alright, so again, Cooking with Ram. We're making a Chile Relleno burrito, and right now we got a tortilla ready. Don't get it too crispy, otherwise it's gonna be hard to fold up your burrito. We got our Chile Relleno that's ready, mixed right there, and we're ready to go. So pretty much for me, this is bomb. Like, I don't need any meat. This does it for me. So we throw a lot of that in there. Make sure it's a nice little heaping. We got some shredded cheese right here. Throw some cheese up in there like that. Alright. We got some sour cream coming up. Throw some sour cream up in there like that. And there you go. Homemade Chile Relleno burrito, courtesy of Cooking with Ram. Again, thank you for tuning in. This is Cooking with Ram, RareMindTV. This is a Chile Relleno burrito. Alright, homemade Chile Relleno mix inside, shredded cheese, sour cream, and that's pretty much it, man. Roll this baby up like this, you know what I'm saying? There we go. Ready to go into the stove. So yeah, bomb burrito, man. So these are things you can do at home and just get a bomb meal together real quick. You know, something healthy, something good. Taste is all there. So I mean, again, Cooking with Ram. Make sure you check me out. Facebook, add my page. I will have a Instagram strictly for Cooking with Ram pretty soon. Until then, check in with RareMind at RareMind1 on everything: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and get to know me a little better. Alright? Peace. There you go. Alright. Peace, everybody.